I've been looking into Axis Bank Max Life Insurance, and in this video I'm giving you my honest and unbiased review. I will cover everything you need to know from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you will have a much clearer picture of whether Axis Bank Max Life Insurance is the right fit for you. Axis Bank, in partnership with Max Life Insurance, offers a wide range of life insurance solutions designed to provide both protection and savings. Whether you are looking for long-term plans to secure your family's future or long-term investment plans to build wealth, they have options tailored for different life goals. One of the standout features is their comprehensive coverage. Max Life Insurance provides high sum assured at competitive premiums, making it an attractive option for those seeking value for money. Plus, many of their plans come with added benefits like critical illness riders, accidental death benefits, and waiver of premium options, which can be incredibly useful in uncertain times. Another advantage is the digital experience. You can browse, compare, and even purchase policies directly online, which makes the whole process hassle-free. Not to mention, they have a decent claim settlement ratio, which is always reassuring when it comes to insurance providers. However, it is important to consider a few things before you decide. Some users have reported that the policy documents and terms can be a bit complex to understand at first glance. It is crucial to go through all the fine print to ensure there are no surprises down the line. Additionally, while the digital experience is good, customer service responsiveness can vary, which might lead to frustration if you need urgent assistance. In terms of cost, premiums are fairly competitive, but keep in mind that prices will vary based on your age, health, and the type of coverage you choose. So it's always wise to compare the plans and see what fits your financial goals the best. Overall, Axis Bank Max Life Insurance offers a solid blend of protection and investment options with the convenience of digital access. But as always, make sure to consult a financial advisor to see if this is the right move for your personal circumstances. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you find this review helpful, and if you did, please consider giving this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to support the channel. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more honest reviews like this. I will see you in the next one.